Autodesk Vault has long been the product data management solution of choice for manufacturers all over the globe. As cloud technologies have emerged, Vault has continually provided ways to connect and share data across all industries. One of these ways is through Project Sync. Let's take a look at how this functionality works and the benefits it brings by tapping into the extended capabilities of Fusion. When it comes to successful product development and manufacturing, connecting your people, processes, and data is critical. Let's take a look at an example where the majority of the design work is being done in Inventor, but we have a CNC programmer in manufacturing that we need to coordinate with. First, the designer completes their work for the day in Inventor. They'll check in the assembly they're working on to create a new version in Vault. Next, Project Sync will upload this assembly to Fusion, where the CNC programmer can quickly begin work on adding toolpaths to components that will be machined directly inside the interface. The next day, the designer needs to make a change to one of the parts. They'll make that change in Inventor, which will then create a new version in Vault. Project Sync will then upload those changes to Fusion, where the CNC programmer will be notified that the part has changed. They can then easily update their toolpaths, and planning can continue to take place downstream. With a connected data workflow, team members can remain agile in response to changing requirements. So to summarize, we just showed you how Project Sync connected data across design and manufacturing from multiple Autodesk solutions. As we continue to evolve and further develop cloud technology, you can rest assured that Vault will continue to provide flexible ways to connect all stakeholders and give you the advantage you need in creating the next blockbuster product. Rev up your product development cycles with Vault Project Sync.